Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to fix Tinder messages not sending error. So if you also want to fix Tinder messages not sending error, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you can do is try updating the application. For that, simply go to Play Store. You can see over here Play Store is opened. Now simply tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now tap on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now type in Tinder. You can see over here you'll be able to see the Tinder application. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. Here you'll be able to see the update option if your application is not updated. If you see update option, all you have to do is tap on it. After that, wait for a while and your application will be updated. After your application is updated, your problem should be fixed. If the problem still persists, what you can do is try clearing the cache. All you have to do is go to settings. You can see over here settings is opened. Scroll down, simply find the option for storage, tap on it. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the storage interface. Find the option for apps, tap on it. Now you'll be led to the app storage. Here you'll have to find the application for Tinder. Once you find Tinder application, all you have to do is tap on it. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. Here you'll be able to see two options, clear storage, clear cache. All you have to do is tap on the option clear cache. My cache is already clear, so this option is not enabled for me. But if your option is enabled, simply tap on it. And after your cache is cleared, your problem should be fixed. If your problem is still not fixed, try uninstalling the application and reinstall it again. After that, your problem will be fixed. So that is how you fix Tinder messages not sending error. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.